king of the road.
Thanks again for watching the latest episode of the King of the Road Show. I'm Jim King, here to remind you that racing season is in full swing at Golden Triangle Raceway Park in Beaumont. Be sure to log on to the award-winning JimKingoftheRoad.com to register for family 4-packs of tickets on the contest page for Friday night races at Golden Triangle Raceway Park in Beaumont, located on Highway 90 near China. The gates open every Friday night at 6 p.m. Go watch the thrills and spills of auto racing at Golden Triangle Raceway Park and tell them King of the Road sent you. Now stay with me as we conclude our exclusive with BB and Company at Mackenzie's Pub in Beaumont.
Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, all but 2 hours of pushing a broom. Buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. Third boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found there, short, not too big and round. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road.
Bubba Moore, Britt Godwin, BB and Company. Now, if you want traditional country music, like I was saying, and sometimes you break into a little Frank Sinatra and even
you never know
Johnny
what
Cash,
we'll do.
don't you?
That's right.
You never know what we're going to do.
He's got multiple personalities when it comes to music. You guys are very versatile.
Yeah.
And it's a great show.
We
Really
have
is.
Mackenzie's Pub
Yes.
every Thursday. Be sure
Yep.
to catch us.
You all support Mackenzie's Pub, and like we said, they need to advertise on television so even more people will come out.
Definitely.
That's
But
right.
we're working on that right now.
Good deal.
We appreciate you, Jim.
And that's cool that you recently did some shows with Mark Chestnut, huh?
We
Some
have.
acoustical stuff?
Yeah, when he comes home and doesn't want to fly the whole band down, he'll give me and Bubba a call, and so we'll go within probably a 500-mile radius and do some acoustic stuff with him. So that's always good. Always good to get to play with Mark.
He's still a trip.
He's still Mark.
Yeah.
He's a funny guy and just super talented. True country singer. He's a hoot.
World famous, too.
Oh yes, that's right. Mark Chestnut.
We love him.
Well, he's actually called me one time. I've had him on my show, TV
Right.
show and the radio. But recently, when he played in at Kuntz, for the Hardin County Music Festival, I was having dinner with my girlfriend's parents, and the phone rings, and it's Mark Chestnut asking for directions to his concert.
How do I get there?
Yeah, he did. He goes, "I've lived here all my life, and I don't know where this place is." So my girlfriend
Mark.
had to give him directions.
That would be Mark.
It's actually the day before his show. But y'all keep up the good work, man.
All right.
Thank you, Jim.
Keep that music going, the traditional stuff. We love it.
Well,
Thank you, Jim.
And
Thanks
thanks
for
to all
coming out.
you and your crew for coming by to see us. We certainly appreciate it.
Appreciate you guys giving us good material.
All right.
Thanks,
All
man.
right. Thank
All right.
you, Jim.
Broom Mama, man of means, by no means king of the road. Third boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found there, short, not too big and round. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. I know every engineer on every train, all of his children and all of their names, and every hand out in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, all but 2 hours of pushing a broom. I was a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means, a king of the road. of the road, king of the road.